Hey babes, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of our February Boxy charm. So if you're interested, make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe and like button, and let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, jumping right into this video, I want to let you guys know that this video isn't sponsored by Boxy Charm or anything like that. I just really enjoy Boxy Charm and I would love to share them with you guys in hopes that you guys will, join the subscription and love it as well. So Boxy Charm is a makeup subscription I am subscribed to. I pay $25 a month for my subscription. I get 5 full-size makeup products each month. The box is $25, but it can be worth up to $300–400 in product. Maybe not that much, but you get the point. Like, these products aren't, worth this little. We're just getting a little sneak peek and sample on why we should actually invest the original retail price of these products, why we should invest in those. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the products that we got into this month, and yeah. Alright guys, the first product that I got in the box this month is this palette from Ace Beauty. It's called the Nostalgia palette. This is the outside box right here. I think it is so adorable. It really is going to be in the summer tropical vibes. I did see this palette already on Ace Beauty's website because I do have 2 of their other palettes because I got them in Boxy Charm, and I absolutely love them. Hands down, love them. I've made some amazing looks with these shadows, so I already kind of know what this palette looks like, but I was so ecstatic to know I was getting it because I was actually just talking to some friends and family about getting this palette and another one of their palettes called the Oceanic palette because they're really, really worth it. So this is the packaging on the outside to match the box, and when we lift this up, the plastic does fall out, so it does come with plastic. When we open it up, here she is. Ooh, look at them shades. You guys will be seeing some great tutorials and eyeshadows tutorials with this look right here. So I cannot wait to see what I create with this palette along with their other palettes as well. This retails for $38.99 from Ace Beauty. So I really highly recommend going and buying this palette or any of the palettes they have on their website because they're 100% hands down worth it. Alright, jumping into the next product we got in this month's box. It is this Tula Skincare Soap Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I've had a couple of Tula's face masks and I really enjoyed them. So I'm excited to see what this face scrub does. Let's open her up right here. This is what it looks like. Alright, and this product right here does retail for $32. So when I do start using this, I will let you guys know what I think of it. So yeah. Alright, the next product after that is this Double Date Lip and Cheek thing from Wander Beauty. This is the outside of it. This does retail for $22. Ooh, it is not focusing. This is from Wander Beauty, and it does retail for $22. Let's open her up. There's some tape on the outside. I hate dealing with tape. Ooh, let me get my eyelash scissors. Sanitize these before I use them again. But alright, pop this open. Ooh, I'm excited. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what you see. You dump it out, and this is the packaging. Right here, this is the top, and if you look at it, you can tell it is double componented or double compartmented. So this is the top. You open it up, and this does look like it is meant for the lips. This does look like it's the lip gloss portion. which these are so handy. You know what these remind me of? And this isn't to throw any shade, but I absolutely love the compact concept of this. This reminds me of the grown-up version of the little kid makeup that I would get as a kid that really made me love makeup to begin with. So this is actually really nostalgic, and I love the fact that they did this. It's so easy. You can throw it in your bag. Oh, maybe that wasn't. I think this was maybe for your cheeks, and this is for your lips. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's a cream blush in here. I think this is what's for your lips, and I think this is what's for your cheeks. My bad. Oh, so cute. But yeah, it reminds me of those little makeups that I got as a kid. I love the fact of this. You can just throw it in your bag and be on your way. Oh, so convenient. Alright, and it, honestly, that is really good price for $22. So that means it's like about $11 each shade or whatever, or each, you know, product, which is honestly not that bad. Alright, next in our unboxing of our Boxy charm for this month, I got this Glamour eye brush set. It came in this really cute pink bag. You open it up and you get 4 eye brushes right here that come in these little plastics. So I will unpackage these and wash them and add them to my collection. I really think these are absolutely to die for. If you look at this, I know some of you guys who really love those like phone cases that move or whatever. These are just like that. They have them moving. Ooh. And I think it is so cute. Ooh, it is so blurry. One second. I'll show you guys a better view. Then you move it to the other side and it falls. I love what they did here. This is so cute. They're little hearts on the inside, so they're intended for Valentine's Day, so I think that is so cute. Alright, and that retails for $29.95 for those 4 brushes in the little bag. So personally, I think that might be a little pricey for those eye brushes, because the bag seems kind of cheap, I ain't gonna lie. It just is a really weird plastic in my opinion. So I mean, I think the bag's kind of what is cheap to me, but I feel like the brushes are really nice in quality. They're very soft to the touch, and I feel like they're gonna do a fabulous job blending shadow out on the eye. Alright, last but not least, what I got in my Boxy charm this month is this really cute NCLA Los Angeles treatments. This is a So Rich vitamin E infused cuticle oil, and it's so adorable because they have little hearts in here. So look at this, guys. Do you see that? Do you guys see the little hearts in there? Absolutely adorable. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Here's a better view of it if you guys couldn't see it before. Oh, the hearts on the inside. So cute. And let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells exactly like roses. I can't wait to use this. And this retails for $18. And that is all for this month's box, guys. Alright guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you missed my last video, make sure you go check that out. And I can't wait to come back next week on next Wednesday with a new video for you guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, my loves.